Delicious homemade Hawaiian fried rice with shrimp, mixed broccoli, easy cooking tutorial. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today we have a special treat for you. We're making homemade Hawaiian fried rice with shrimp and mixed broccoli. Trust me, this dish is a burst of flavors that will transport you straight to the tropics. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button our multi-recipes and cookeries channel and ring the bell for more mouth-watering recipes. Now, let's get cooking. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked jasmine rice, preferably cooled. 1 cup shrimp, peeled and deveined. 1 cup mixed broccoli florets. ½ cup pineapple chunks. ½ cup diced bell peppers, a mix of colors. 1/4 cup diced carrots. 3 green onions, sliced. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 2 eggs, beaten. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Preparation. Prep the ingredients. Ensure all your ingredients are chopped, diced, and ready to go. This will make the cooking process smooth and efficient. Cook the shrimp. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the shrimp and cook until they turn pink, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside. Stir-fry the vegetables. In the same pan, add a bit more oil if needed. Toss in the garlic, diced carrots, and bell peppers. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables are slightly tender. Add the broccoli and pineapple chunks, stir-frying for an additional 2 minutes. Add rice and shrimp. Push the vegetables to one side of the pan and add the cooled jasmine rice to the other side. Pour the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil over the rice. Add the cooked shrimp back into the pan and stir everything until well combined. Create a well for eggs. Push the rice mixture to the sides of the pan, creating a well in the center. Pour the beaten eggs into the well and scramble them until cooked. Once the eggs are cooked, mix them into the rice and vegetable mixture. Toss in the sliced green onions and season with salt and pepper to taste. Final touch, serve and decorate. Transfer your delicious Hawaiian fried rice to a serving plate. For a final touch, you can garnish with additional sliced green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds. And there you have it, homemade Hawaiian fried rice with shrimp and mixed broccoli. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Certainly. The homemade Hawaiian fried rice with shrimp and mixed broccoli offers several benefits that make it not only a delicious dish but also a wholesome and satisfying meal. Here are some of the benefits. Nutrient-rich ingredients. The recipe includes a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and broccoli, providing a diverse range of vitamins and minerals essential for overall health. Protein-packed shrimp. Shrimp is a good source of lean protein, which is crucial for muscle development, repair, and overall body function. Fiber from vegetables. The mixed broccoli and other vegetables contribute dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and helping to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Healthy fats. Sesame oil used in the recipe adds a touch of healthy fats, which are essential for nutrient absorption and supporting heart health. Balanced carbohydrates. Jasmine rice provides a source of complex carbohydrates, offering a steady release of energy and helping to maintain blood sugar levels. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more tasty dishes. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking! Thank you very much Hawaiian fried rice with shrimp, mixed broccoli lovers.